Hi, I'm Mark Emanuel, Director of Field Operations at Evaporcool. In previous videos, I explained how to measure and install major components of the Evaporcool system on your outdoor HVAC units. In this video, I'll go over the steps necessary for a successful startup. This video is intended for contractors and installers. The tools you will need for the startup include screwdrivers, an adjustable wrench, and a 5/8 inch box end wrench. It is important that you validate all steps of the Evaporcool installation manual and double check your work before attempting to start the Evaporcool system. Ensure all plumbing joints are tight, that all electrical connections have been properly made, and that the routing of the valve boxes was performed exactly to the provided Evaporcool system layout diagram. Also, in order for the controller to communicate with the cell phone network, it must be activated before the startup date. You must contact Evaporcool 1 week in advance of the startup for activation. Failure to do so means your controller is not activated on the network and functionality will be limited. Before turning on the water supply, you must flush all lines leading to the valve boxes. Failure to do so could result in clogged nozzles, reducing the amount of peak demand energy savings your customer might see. Open the water supply and allow the main supply tubing to flush for 2 minutes. Close the water supply and connect the main supply tubing to the Evaporcool valve boxes. Ensure the EasyFrame water supply tubing at the top of each frame is removed, then open the water supply again. Set the Evaporcool controller to test spray mode to begin the flow of water and allow the lines to flush for 2 minutes. To enter test spray mode, find the button on the bottom right of the controller box and press it down for 10 seconds. For 2-circuit systems, pressing the button momentarily after this will activate the test spray on the 2nd circuit. To exit the test spray mode, press the button momentarily. Close the main supply again, remove the tape from the frame tubing inlet, and fully connect all the supply lines to all the frames. Now, you can open the water supply and once again go into test spray mode. At this time, inspect all connections for leaks and ensure all sprayers are producing a fine, even mist. After verifying the tubing is tight and secure and that all sprayers are spraying parallel to the medium, not directly into the medium or the screen, exit the test spray mode on the controller. For optimal operation, it is best practice to observe a few normal cooling cycles to identify any default setting adjustments that may be needed on the controller. Contact Evaporcool to report on system operation at startup. That's it for the startup of an Evaporcool system. In the next video, I'll go over maintenance and winterization procedures. As always, if you need more information or have questions, visit www.evaporcool.com or email contactus@evaporcool.com. Thanks for watching.